right, the good people over there at Real Truck sent me something for my truck, something that I've been wanting to look into, so they was nice enough to send it to me to install, do a review video on, or install video. So let's get the camera down and get into it. This is going to be a good one. All right, like I said, Real Truck sent me this. They're sponsoring this video, I guess you would say. And that's what it is right there. It's the back. Let's go around here to this side and see if... All right, there you go. Hopefully you can see that. It's the BAK Revolver X4s with T-slots, T-slot rails. I'll show you what that is, and when I get it installed, it's for my truck, little bitty short bed. So let's get this box opened up and check this thing out, shall we? Okay, bag of parts, install hardware. There's the foam that goes across the front. I'll open that up in just a minute. We'll move this over here out of the way. Here's the rails. There's the T-slot. I'll show you what that is after I get it installed on the truck. This is the right one, obviously. That's the left one. The front of it bolts here and here on each side. So, and then here's the track, or the cover itself. It's a roll-up. That's why they call it a revolver. Probably should have left it in the wrapper. It had a wrapper on this end and a wrapper on this end to hold it, to keep it from rolling out. But I haven't read the instructions yet, so, and apparently got to go there to get those. So let me do that. Get the hardware bag opened up and see what all's there, make sure everything's here, and get started on this, and we'll come back. Okay, the instructions say if you do not have a drop-in bed liner, you use the thick seal up at the front, across the front. If you do, you use this one. This one is made a whole lot different. It's almost like a rubber. I don't know. Anyway, let's walk up there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I went ahead and installed it. Don't know if it's gonna, how it's gonna stick, but you see it goes across the whole front of the bed. So now I got the rail in the laid up in there. I'm going to put the driver's or the passenger side one on first, and I'll show you that. Okay, I got this one installed. Highlight it with the flashlight, I guess. See, it's just a pinch clamp. See how it goes up in there in the teeth? It's just a pinch clamp. There's 3 of them on this side. I was going to show you the clamps before I installed the other side, but I forgot, and I went ahead and installed it while I was up there. So as you can see, I already got these 3 installed. It says keep that front one 12 inches or closer to the front, so I went all the way to the front as far as I could. This one, as you can see, the rail stops right there, so I didn't want to get any closer. In fact, I think I got a little bit further away on this side, or closer. Yeah, a little closer. See? It should be all right though. So, as you can see, this rail is fitting kind of flat. This one, for some reason, is a little bit tilted up right here. I don't know why it's like that, but we'll see when we go to put the cover on. So let me get that lifted up there. That's pretty heavy, so let me get it up there and get it in place, and I'll come back. Okay, I had to rearrange the brackets. Let me zoom in a little bit, maybe you can see a little better. You got to make sure the teeth are in those grooves. They was in the grooves, but one of the teeth on the clamp was below the rail, so I loosened them all up and raised it up some. Okay, you see how it's got the 2 clamps? One there and one there. The one clamp has the strap hanging off of it. I'll show you what that does in a minute. When you roll it up, the strap holds the the cover from unrolling. I'm trying to do this where you can still see. It's got the nuts right here. You tighten by hand. Put the bolts in the T-slot. 2 bolts, one there, one there. On each side, that's what holds the top to the rails. And you just tighten them up. You put a rubber washer, then a metal washer, then the nut. And there's 2 on the other side. That's what you're looking at there is the passenger side. Hopefully you ain't hearing that fan too bad, but it's hot as crap. And I got the cover rolled out some, so I'm kind of in the shade, so I ain't sweating to death. But anyway, let me roll the cover up and show you the top side. Okay, as you can see, hopefully you can see this thing on the strap. See that? It just goes down in here like this, and then you just pull it. Of course, you got to roll the cover up more. Then you just pull the strap to tighten it up. That, of course, once you do both sides and you tighten it up, it'll hold it in place. That's pretty awesome there. I like that. Okay, I got these rubber bumpers on here. You need to take some alcohol on a rag, rubbing alcohol, and clean this groove out because it's got a little oil on it or whatever. And then just peel and stick these things down. What that's for is if the roll gets rolled up a little loose up against the back glass, it hits these instead of this hitting your window and busting it. But like I said, I got both the straps on. They go there. You put in and turn both sides. Obviously, they just hang underneath whenever you're not using them. See? Guess you can see that, hopefully. Anyway, let me roll this thing out and show you. Okay, there it is. Hopefully you can see that. Real truck. It's all installed. Let's see, let me see if I can do this with one hand. You just pull this cable. And then you just roll it up. I don't know if I showed that yet, but there you go. And then of course when you get to right here, you put your strap on and it holds it up. That way if you got to haul anything into bed, this ain't rolling all around and bouncing and all that. And that's pretty cool. And then it just rolls but right back out. These things right here ride in the track, the rails. I'll come around here and I'll show you what I'm saying. See these things here, they ride in the track here. And then when you let this down, you see that? See that aluminum piece that's coming out? It locks in those. Just like that. This side didn't lock. That way, the cover can't be lifted up from the side here because it's all locked all the way down. That's pretty cool. All right, just wanted to give you another shot of it with it closed and the tailgate shut. That's pretty awesome. Thank you very much for sending this to me. All right, well, that's the install video of the BAK Revolver X4s with T-slots. Now the T-slots are right here. That's for like if you want to have a rack on it, you can still have a rack and haul stuff up top and still have your bed covered up. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. It's not really take all that long to do. It's just, you know, hot as crap out here. All you need is a 9/16 wrench or socket to tighten up your clamps. And it says torque to 10 foot-pounds, but just snug it up. But if you it says if you tighten it too tight, you can warp the rails. And then of course, you know, you got the wing nuts or the hand nuts inside that holds the cover to the rails. You got two on each side. You just tighten them by hand. You don't have to have a tool or anything for that. And you make sure you clean the front of the bed where it goes across from one side to the other. You clean that with some alcohol, and then you stick your seal on it, and then lay your cover up on top of it. There is no seals or anything that goes on the sides, because they're already on the rails when you set them down. So that's awesome. I love it. Thank you very much for sending it to me. We'll see how it works out and holds up. I didn't think I was going to like it. I wanted a one that's electric that rolls up automatically, but it takes up like that much space of the front of your bed. And if you have anything in the bed heavy that rolls into it, it could dent the cover, the box that the cover rolls up in. Because I've seen one like that. I think he said he was hauling a engine block or something, and it slid and hit his cover, and it dented it. So I wouldn't like that. But I wasn't sure if I was going to like this, the way it rolls. But it rolls easy. You can roll it with one hand from one side. So it's awesome. So far I like it. This is the first tonneau cover I've ever had. So we'll see how it holds up, and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.